What is the financial market? A financial market is any marketplace where buyers and sellers participate in the trade of assets such as equities, bonds, currencies, and derivatives, for example, stock exchange or commodity exchange. A financial market may be a physical location like New York Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, or an electronic system like NASDAQ, National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. Financial markets can be found in nearly every nation in the world. The transactions in the financial market takes place in two forms. First one is securities, that includes stocks and bonds, and second one is commodities, that includes precious metals or agricultural products. Types of financial markets. First one is capital market, that includes stock market, bond market, and over-the-counter market. Next one is money market, then derivatives market, forex market, spot market, interbank market, equity market, credit market, and commodity market. Now the first one is capital market. Capital markets are markets for buying and selling equity and debt instruments. Capital markets channel saving and investments between suppliers of capital like retail investors and institutional investors and users of capital like businesses, government and individuals. Capital markets are used to raise finance for long-term finance. It is further divided into two categories. First one is primary market and second one is secondary market. Primary markets. Newly formed securities are bought and sold in primary markets. The transactions in primary markets exist between issuers and investors. In primary markets, primary issues are used by companies in form of initial public offering for the purpose of setting up new business or for expanding or modernizing the existing business. It is the market for new long-term equity capital where securities are sold for the first time. That's why it is also called the new issue market. Secondary market. It allows investors to buy and sell existing securities. Secondary market transactions exist among investors. Now, this brings a question in our mind that why there is a need for secondary market. Suppose if there is no secondary market, so once a company issues long-term securities in the primary market to investors, means investors has been blocked their money in that company for long term. Now, how they will be able to liquidate their money or how they can convert their security in cash. So, this brings the role of secondary market, where investors sell their securities to other investors who wants to buy them, and for that transaction they receives cash. Stock market. Stock markets allow investors to buy and sell shares in publicly traded companies. It means any subsequent trading of stock securities occurs in the secondary market. The next one is over-the-counter market, OTC. The over-the-counter market is a type of secondary market, also referred to as a dealer market. An OTC market handles the exchanging of public stocks not listed on the NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange or American Stock Exchange. Now, companies with stocks trading on the OTC market are usually smaller organizations, as this financial market requires less regulation and less expensive to be traded on. Next one is bond markets. Before knowing it, we must know what is the bond. A bond is a security in which an investor loans money for a defined period of time at a pre-established rate of interest. Now, the bond markets. The bond markets is a market which provide financing through the issuance of bonds and enable the subsequent trading thereof. Bonds are not only issued by corporations but may also be issued by municipalities, states and federal governments from around the world. It also referred to as the debt credit or fixed income market. Money market. A money market is a portion of financial market that trades highly liquid securities with short-term maturities. This market is for short-term borrowing and lending of securities with less than 1 year's maturity. Money market trades certificates of deposit, bankers' acceptance, certain bills, notes, and commercial papers. Derivatives market. The derivatives market is a financial market that trades securities that derive its value from its underlying assets. A derivative is a contract and its value is determined by the market price of the underlying item. This financial market trades derivatives including forward contracts, futures, options, swaps and contracts for difference. Forex market. The forex market is a financial market where currencies are traded. This financial market is the most liquid market in the world as cash is the most liquid of assets. Spot or cash market. A cash market is a marketplace for the immediate settlement of transactions involving commodities and securities. In a cash market, the exchange of goods and money between the sellers and the buyers takes place in the present. Here, prices are settled in cash on the spot at the current market price. That's why this market is also known as the spot market. The example of cash market are the New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, etc. Interbank market. The interbank market is the financial system and trading of currencies among banks and financial institutions, excluding retail investors and smaller trading parties. While some interbank trading is performed by banks on behalf of large customers, most interbank trading takes place from the bank's own accounts. Equity market, the market in which shares are issued and traded either through exchanges or over-the-counter markets. It is also known as the stock market. Credit market, a marketplace for the exchange of debt securities and short-term commercial paper. Companies and the government are able to raise funds by allowing investors to purchase these debt securities. Commodity market. A commodity market is a physical or virtual marketplace for buying, selling and trading raw or primary products. Commodities are split into two types. One is hard commodities and other is soft commodities. Hard commodities are typically natural resources that must be mined or extracted, such as gold, rubber, and oil, whereas soft commodities are agricultural products or livestock, such as corn, wheat, sugar, soya beans, and pork. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe the channel